Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mimi's Place. Today I'm going to be making some tabouli, and tabouli is a salad type side dish that you serve cold, and it's made with tomato, parsley, bowl of wheat, and some olive oil. So without further ado, we're going to be making some tabouli today. So I thought that I'd take you with me in the kitchen, and let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is chop up some tomatoes. And the aroma from this parsley just smells so good. Now, one thing you want to remember, anything Middle Eastern, everything is cut tiny, 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 tiny. So, it takes a little bit of practice getting used to cutting things like that. But for me, it's second nature. So these are some tomatoes that are left from my garden. And that is not my homegrown parsley, but it is really, really good. The aroma is just so fresh. So you want to dice these up into little tiny dices, okay? I had a lot of tomatoes this year. A lot. And I'm just going to put them in my bowl. Some people add cucumber. That's not the way I'm used to it though. I'm just used to it like this. So this is what we're going to do. These knives are so sharp. Yeah, but my mom didn't like tabouli. I like all the real Middle Eastern stuff. There are some things that she liked, that she grew up with, but she liked the stuffed grape leaves, and she liked pilaf and baklava. Who doesn't like baklava? And I know you might be saying it's a bee, but in Armenian we get everything. Our bees are our peas, and our peas are our bees. So, okay. So there I have my diced tomato. Now the parsley, you don't want the stems. Take the leaves off the stems, okay? I'm just going to bunch it up. And again, you don't want leaves of parsley. You want it chopped very fine. Oh, this smells so good. It really does. When fresh herbs smell this good, oh my goodness, just so, oh. So this is great to have in a pita bread, with pita bread on the side if you want. For me, I would have this on a plate with some hummus and maybe a little bit of pita bread, or some Armenian cracker bread, which we call basats. It's a big round, dry, looks like the moon. It's round and flat, like a disc. Looks like a 33 record album. Remember those? Okay. So you want to make sure it's really fine. I'm not in a garden, so I'm just doing the best I can. And I'll put my parsley in with the tomatoes. Be right back, guys. Okay, and you're going to want to put in some fine wheat bola, very, very fine, which makes the bola be tabouli. So, and you soak it for about 20 minutes in hot water. And this is a cracked wheat. It's really, really good. And I'm going to add salt and pepper and some olive oil. There's all kinds of salads and things that we can have. So if you're vegan, this is a real good salad. Please do not use cilantro. It's not tabbouleh if you're going to use cilantro. A little bit of olive oil. Just to kind of mix it all together. It's very pretty. It's very fragrant. Okay. Sorry, the camera wasn't angled the right way, but don't use canned diced tomatoes. Fresh ingredients only. I like a little spice on everything, so I'm going to put a little more black pepper and a little bit more salt. And you could put some little squirt of lemon juice. And there you go. That's tabbouleh. So I hope that you like this video and that you'll try to make some tabbouleh. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to make some or try some, if you've ever had it. I'll catch you guys in my next video.